Good morning, children. I am Vikas Kumar Singh going to teach you a poem by Peter Dixon. Where do all the teachers go? Peter Dixon has composed this poem, and in this poem, we shall study what does a child thinks about a teacher. You know that for a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think that his or her teacher is an ordinary person. He thinks about him or her like a very extraordinary person. Now we shall start about the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? The first stanza. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? In this stanza, the poet wonders about their teachers that after 4 o'clock where they all go. Have they houses to live in and do they work in the same way as a child does in his house? Therefore, the child wants to know if they also wash their socks. Now, the second stanza. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? After this inquiry, the child wants to know again if their teachers wear the pajamas and they watch TV in their respected houses. And do they pick their noses as a child and every child pick their noses? Now the third stanza. Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Again, the child wants to know if the teacher who teaches them live with the other people and have they mums and dads, means mummy and daddy, mothers and father, and were they ever children? If the teacher were a child before and they do in the same way as a child does, the boy wants to know, the child wants to know about it. Next stanza. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Again, the child wants to know that if they had the time to spell wrong and if they also made some mistakes and after making the mistake, if they were punished in the corner as the boys and girls are punished in the school, if they pinch the chocolate flakes, if they at the chocolate flakes. Next, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the tops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Again, the boys wants to know that if they ever lost their special books, hymn means special books like poems and stories, and if they leave their greens, means if they did not like to eat green vegetable, greens means green vegetable, did they scribble on the desktop? Yes, if they would scribble, scribble means scratch or write something on the desktops. And if they wore old and dirty jeans. Now the last stanza. I shall follow one back home today. I find out what they do, then I shall put it in a poem that they can read to you. The boy wants to follow the teacher when they leave the school for the home, and then the child would be able to know what they actually do in the house. And the writer at last, as a child, writes that he will put it in the poem, and after that the students will be able to know what their teachers do in their respected house. This was the end of the poem. Now I am going to give you a few words meaning, and then I shall give you a few questions related to the poem. You must solve all these questions and try to answer in your exercise book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here are the questions and words meaning. You must try to solve all these questions and show it to me in the school. Have a nice day.